just stop on the main stations, even if it's no one there, but on the small stations, if no person want to get in or out, we just can go. We don't have to stop.
I want to ask a question.
Yeah, sure.
When do you want to do the job like this for fun? I mean,
Well, usually, well, I was planning on my retirement. It's in 2 years I'm gonna be retired, and I'm 55, so I retire early. And then my wife thought I have to do something, so it's my wife's fault. And it's just kind of a totally different thing, because usually I work in a doctor's office as an optometrist, and so it's I did that for 40 years.
wow.
And so now I have to, yeah, on my old days, something just for fun. Yeah.
He has a dream to be driver someday.
Yeah, well, in Japan there are pretty nice trains as well.
Yeah.
The Shinkansen.
Yeah, the Shinkansen,
Yes.
yeah.
I just was in China once in
We
Shanghai.
Chinese actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
yeah.
I was in Shanghai with the magnetic train
Oh,
from
the
the
magnet.
airport to the
Yes,
city.
yes.
That was nice too, yeah.
Actually, Chinese have been living in Japan
Oh, okay.
for already 15 years.
Oh wow, yeah, then.
Do you put glasses on because of the snow?
Yeah, and because of the vision, they are prescription glasses. Because, yeah. And it's kind of bright. If you're on the snow the whole day,
Yeah.
then your eyes getting tired. And so for protection. And it was sunny the whole day long, so it's just now it's getting a little bit cloudy. And there are people living all year round, so
Wow.
in winter or summer.
Seems a little cold.
Well, from time to time it can be cold. Oh, in the summertime you have about, if it's hot on the bottom, 30, 35 degrees. Here it's just 20, 25, so then it's really nice.
Wow.
And in winter you can have minus 20, minus 10 on top. That's pretty, yeah, pretty basic, normal. Unser nächster Halt, der Rigi Staffel, Reisende nach Rigi Klosterli-Rigi werden gebeten umzusteigen. Our next stop, Rigi Staffel. Passengers for Rigi Klosterli-Rigi, please change the train.
So I guess the lines on the left are the ones for...
Yeah, well, in the middle there's a neutral line,
Oh.
and then on the left-hand side there's the line who goes not the other direction. And there will a train come down while we are going up.
Oh.
So you should see it at the end of on the peak of the mountain. It should start right away when we are arriving.
So is this the road that goes to the lake?
Yeah.
Wow, we're so far up already.
And here we can switch sides. I can go to the other line if I have to, or the other one can come to our line. That's the only way we can switch on the other side of the mountain.